What is up, guys? I'm back again. Alright, this time we are on a 2009 Street Glide FLHX. This one's got a bunch of work done to it. I don't know if you can see the Rockford Fosgate stereo and a bunch of audio work done to it. The gentleman brought it to me. The clutch was slipping badly. I'll get a picture of how badly the clutch plates were burnt. And whoever built this bike, whatever routed the clutch cable, they routed it far too close to the exhaust, so we had a heat issue. And in the fairing, they never protected the cable, so it had worn through the cable in quite a few places. And this clutch over here was almost impossible to pull. It was ridiculous. So all I'm doing right now is I'm just getting the bike warm. I'm going out. I'm just got to make sure my oil levels are good, because he wanted the oil changed as well. But of course, with replacing the cable and putting a new clutch in, you need new primary and you need new transmission fluid. I know the stuff that came out of here looked like Smurf pissed it out, but any kind of gear oil, guys, just run the gear oil in the transmission. I don't care what anyone tells you, run gear oil. Hey, we're gonna take it pretty easy with this bike, because I will tell you guys, this is the first time I've ever ridden a big wheel bagger. Honestly, they're not my thing. I'm not gonna hate on you for liking it. It's what you like, whatever. We're not going to that point. I like the performance, I like the handling, and I like the comfort of a bagger. So that's why I'm building mine my way, and that's why you build yours your way. I will say one thing. This big wheel, they're running just one brake. But it seems to be the stock Harley disc size. I don't like it. I don't like the feel of it. I don't like how it doesn't slow the bike like it should. So I end up, at least on this one, I'm using the rear brake more than anything. When I routed the cable for this, I could, it's been a while since I had my 2016, and that had a my 2016 had hydraulic, and my 2013 that had a cable. So it's been a while since I had a bike with a cable, so I had to look up how to route the damn thing, and I couldn't find. Everybody's just like, oh, run it how you run it, how it came out. That doesn't work. I need to know where it runs. So maybe one day I'll make a video about how this is properly routed, but obviously you can see it goes through the fairing. It has to come on the left side of the triple tree, or the fork stem. You know, I've been on my road glide for so long, I forgot how much these street glides get pushed around compared to the road glide. And this bike too has Reinhardt's on it like mine did. I like that Reinhardt sound, honestly. I've been debating a 2-into-1 exhaust for my bike. I wanted to either go with the fuel motor setup, or I wanted to go with the Reinhardt 2-into-1. I might make that decision soon here. But for now, we're gonna keep what I got. So when I work on a bike, I have a test ride route, and if I want to show you something, this is the little back street area that I pull onto, and I can pull over and show you what I'm talking about. Nice little area here, quiet. We're going to do this quick. We're not going to shut the bike off. I just want to show you what I'm riding. Like I said, is a 2009 Street Glide FLHX. Wire wheel in the back. I hate when guys do that. They buy the big front wheel, but they don't match the back. It's got the extended bags, the side covers, pretty nice looking bike. And a funny part is my dad said, oh, why does his bike look better than yours if that's 10 years older than yours? So my dad clearly does not like the Road Glide. He liked the stance of this one better. A little bit lower looking. See, that's not my style, so I tried that. I tried that with the Street Glide. I did not like the air ride, the dirty air. I thought the dirty air was garbage. This is not on dirty air. This is actually on, I believe it was Progressives in the back. It just must be a shorter shock because of the way it sits. It actually does sit lower in the back. And then of course you have the extended bags and you have the big wheel, which kind of angles the entire frame of the bike. Yep, clutch is working good. Alright guys, that's it for today. V-Twinkie. Remember, a V-Twinkie, we build them to ride.